Very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 64, which will be dedicated to the healthy body, and this will be coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona and the COVID-19 series. And dear friends, I also believe that you are working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the holistic body healing series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the concept, summary of the health concept. Kindly revise it so that you can enjoy this particular episode. You also can refer the playlist dedicated to the holistic body healing so that you can get all the episodes in one stroke in the continuity. Episode number 46, 58, 59, 60, episode number 61, some of the concepts. And dear friends, once the concept clears, then certainly you can apply these concept in the many of the fashions, many of the problems, many of the disease, and you will see it how we are using these concept in our future episodes to heal the body. Episode number 62, and our last episode number 63. And we will just revise very fast forward, because if you want to see the detail, then certainly you have to refer the previous episode number 63. But to make the continuity, we will just revise it fastly so that you can get understand of this concept. Episode number 59, concept number H59. As per the allopathy, some of the generalized basic fundamental cure covers many of the disease, like whatever type will be the pain, some kind of the paracetamol you are taking, or some kind of the antibiotic families are there, you are taking the antibiotics from that family, or you are taking saline injection or the drip. If there is any kind of the problem, you are feeling the weakness, then you are taking the drip or the saline injection. These are the some kind of the generalized methods which the allopathy is using. And we can say that the stem cell therapy, today's allopathy have reached till this level that it has discovered the stem cell therapy, and it can be said as mother of all the cures, and it can be said as cure for almost all disease. Dear friends, the stem cells are first cell ever which converted into all other limbs of the human body. It is a very intelligent cell which knows what it is intended to do in the body. It knows whether it has to make the mind, or it has to make the eyes, or it has to make the other body parts. Stem cell is a very intelligent, very brilliant cell, we can say. But one problem is there, it is available in very limited time. You just know that after the pregnancy, after the delivery of a mother, umbilical cord by which a child is connected with his or her mother, that cord has some kind of the stem cells, and if someone want to preserve it, then we have to put it in the stem cell banks. So dear friends, it is available in a very limited time of the human life. Second number, some of the stem cell quantity is available in the bone marrow, etc. And we can say it is a future healing method. And till now on the earth, our planet earth, very less stem cell preserving banks are there. That's why it is very costly affair. It is very costly for a common man, for a normal person of our planet earth. Dear friend, concept number X61 is as per spirituality, because our channel is very much dedicated to the spiritual science, by which we will cover almost all the dimension of the humanity. Body healing is only one of the dimension related with the humanity. That's why we are covering it, my dear friends. As per the spirituality, some generalized basic fundamental cure covers most of the disease, and we can say it stem energy. Yes, the allopathy has reached till the stem cell, and as per the spirituality, we can say it stem energy. This is the father of all the cures. If the stem cell therapy was mother of all the cures, we can say stem energy healing methods are the father of all the cures. Cure for almost all kind of the disease. Dear friends, it is all time available stem energy. It is not there just like the stem cell. It is available for some of the months, some of the couple of the days. No, stem cell is available all the time. Just you have to generate it and you have to use it for your own benefit. There are many ways available to generate the stem energy or power or energy or body electricity or the chi energy of the China. And we have already discussed. You can refer the concept number S23 so that you can learn about the energy generation methods. And what is the energy? Again I am repeating. Energy by which I am talking, energy by which I am thinking, energy by which I am going here and there. Energy is same in all the persons, in all the humans, in all the creatures of this earth and cosmos. Dear friends, this is the eternal method because it is spreaded in all the times, just like past, present and future. The stem energy was present in thousands of years ago. It is available on today also, and it will available when you and me both will not be there. But this energy will be there, guaranteed, sure shot, 100%. Dear friends, this is the absolutely free cure. Nobody is charging you any kind of the money, any kind of the remuneration from you. This is absolutely free energy. You can generate it, you can use it. Stem energy can be converted into stem cell, as probably the stem cell is a type of the condensed eternal stem energy. As we know that Einstein has told E equal to mc square. Energy can be converted into the mass or the solid, and the solid can be converted into the energy. The similar thing I am talking, stem energy can be converted into the stem cells, and the stem cells are, in our opinion, these are condensed eternal stem energy. Dear friends, stem energy is the energy which converted into all other mass or the limbs, organs or the human body. It is very brilliant energy. It knows what it is intended to do in the body. You do not have to think about it. You just have to generate the energy and direct it, and rest all the things will be taken care by your stem energy only. You do not have to think about it. Concept number H62 is electricity is one, whether we generate from the any of the method, solar, thermal, wind or the nuclear. Similarly, and electricity is one, but uses can be multi-purpose like cooling, heating, magnetism, lighting, etc. You just know by any of the method you can generate the energy. Worldwide it is the same type of the energy. Electricity of the Israel is equal to the electricity of the Japan, is equal to electricity of the our India. So dear friends, electricity is same throughout the world, but it can be used in the multi-purpose form, like the cooling purpose you can use, heating purpose you can use, magnetism you can use, and for the lighting purpose you can use. Dear friends, and now it is the Eureka moment. I firmly believe that you haven't read it in your ancient literature as well as in the today's literature also, because this is the unique thing which a electrical engineer is saying to you. Dear friends, it is the Eureka moment, because what we are saying, STEM energy or our body electricity is just like electricity. Outer electricity is equal to electricity of the internal, and our internal body electricity has same working principles as of normal electricity of outwards. That's why we can say electrical engineering rocks. Although there will be some kind of the details available in the energy series, in the concept series of our channel. Dear friends, this is our healing episodes. That's why we will touch the concept and go ahead with our healing concepts only. That's why we can say one energy, many generation methods are there, and there can be multi-purpose usage of this body electricity. Concept number H64 is, who will be get benefited from the STEM energy methods or the holistic healing methods? This is a very big question with us. Every person who has human body, repeating, every person who has human body, and preferably, not the necessarily, preferably if the primary energy circuit is okay, this means you can use these concepts in very well manner, very best manner. Dear friends, what is the primary energy circuit? If in my body you cut to my hands and two legs, whatever remains, that is called as a primary energy circuit in our terminology. So dear friends, if it is okay, you can do all the things, you can balance your energy, you can generate your energy, you can heal yourself. That's why I can say it's a very beautiful method which is free of cost, available on this planet Earth. Any nation, any religion, any gender, any state, any orientation, any age, hence it can be used for all the alive humans. I believe that if you are seeing this episode, certainly you are alive. 101% guarantee I can give you. Dear friends, that's why these concepts are very good for all the humans of this planet, of this earth. And in nutshell we can say, one human system, one human existence, one type of the body we all are sharing, one type of the blood we all are sharing, that is the red blood, one type of the energy we all the humans are sharing, one spirituality is there, although there may be the many of the religions, but spirituality is strictly one. Hence we can say the STEM energy cure is the universal cure, just like the allopathy. In the US, someone have the headache, he takes a pill. Same pill can be used by the person from the Israel or the person from the Iran. Similarly, this STEM energy method is also useful for throughout the world, for throughout our planet. That's why it is very much useful for all the humans. Concept number H65 is energy cafeteria theory. By name it is very clear. Energy, cafeteria and theory. Pay in the terms of the power and get services of any type. In cafeteria what you are doing? You are paying some dollars, you are paying some rubles, you are paying some pounds or the euros, and you are taking the any kind of the services. Just like you are taking the French fry, you are taking the Manchurian, etc., etc. So dear friends, in the internal world also, in the new world which I have described in my previous slides, I can say energy is the money. It is more than a money, I can say. In the internal world, if you have the money, if you have the pure energy, then certainly your prestige will be very good, your prestige will be very okay. You can able to heal yourself. And that's why, dear friends, we can say more will be the requirement of the STEM energy. STEM energy requirement or the money requirement will be very much if the more big disease. And what are the more big disease? AIDS, cancer, COVID-19, etc. More deep disease. Deep disease means whole body disease like leprosy or the skin disease, allergy, and or the mental disease. These are the deeper diseases. That's why these require more energy in the quantum and the more quality of the energy. Then only you will be able to heal yourself. Another one, the more old disease. If you are suffering from the last 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or from your childhood itself, or if it is a hereditary problem, this means it is a chronic disease like the diabetes, solid disease like the tumor, cyst, etc. So dear friends, if you have the more big disease, more deep disease, or the more old disease, this means in the energy cafeteria you have to have pay more STEM energy to your body. Then only you will be able to heal yourself from these big problems. Dear friends, although solution is very one, solution is only one, because STEM energy is very much brilliant energy, but still requirement of the quantum of the energy will be very different. Just like if you want to cure yourself from the minor headache or minor cold, you need the very less energy. 1 or 2 days will be okay. But if you want to cure big diseases, deep diseases, then certainly you have to have pay in terms of the STEM energy to your body. Concept number S66 is age, power or the STEM energy is very limited in the common man of the today's world. That's why better will be if we focus on the one disease at a time with full of the energy, full of the acquired energy, so that we can get good results. Dear friends, diseases are not getting cured easily. It's not so much very easy method. It is not like that. You have to do good effort with you. But I can say that these are the free of cost. These are the very deeper methods. These are applicable for whole mankind, and these are very powerful to cure the disease from the roots roots itself. It is not a superficial healing. It is a healing from your roots, so that it will not occur again and again in your body. Dear friends, that's why we have to earn STEM energy and practice to heal the disease. Although it is definitely possible, and with the practice you will able to heal yourself, but whether you want to do it or not, choice is completely of yours. Finally, I can say your time, your STEM energy, your own belief, your own disease, your own effort, and guaranteed your own healing. Dear friends, we specially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Let's start the journey of this episode towards healthy body. These are the energy healing methods in a nutshell. What is our requirement? Clean energy, high quantum of the energy, and the balance of the energy. we have already discussed how to generate the energy, how to balance the energy, and how to give the direction to the generated STEM energy. That's why kindly focus and concentrate, kindly deep feel, and kindly do the do and die practice so that healthy body can be of yours. Whether you want to do it or not do it, choice is completely of yours. Dear friends, now we will deal with some of the questions which may arise in your mind, in your brain. First question, is a holistic healing method is a proven science? Whether the holistic body healing, holistic healing techniques are proven science or not? A very big question, isn't it? Holistic healing techniques will use almost all the proven medical healing sciences like allopathy, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, Ayurveda, energy healing methods, and the eternal spiritual science principles of the ancient civilization. Dear friends, we will use the ripened fruits of all the methodologies so that our healing can be permanent, so that our healing can be from the roots, so that our healing can be long lasting, so that we can heal ourselves. Dear friends, that's why we will use the optimum path to heal ourselves. We will not depend only on the allopathy. I very much respect the allopathy, but still in the today's world we can see that only by the allopathy we humans are not able to cure our all the diseases. Sometimes SARS, MERS, bird flu, swine flu, COVID-19, COVID-20, COVID-21 and many more are just about to come. We have to think about some kind of the permanent solutions, permanent methods by which we can heal ourselves. Although we have to use the allopathy, this is a very beautiful science, it has developed up to a very great level. It has very much potential, but we have to use the other techniques also so that we can use the optimum path to heal ourselves. And dear friends, all these things like allopathy, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, Ayurveda, healing with the natural herbs, energy healings, these all are hundreds or 1,000-year-old methods. That's why these are already proven science. We are just using all the techniques in a optimum path so that we can quickly heal ourselves. That's why it do not need a separate proven things. And dear friends, these are the contributions from the ancient civilizations like Indian civilization, Babylonian civilization, Mayan, Egyptian civilizations. What we are talking about, the spiritual principle and the energy healing methods, these are already defined in your own religion, in your own country's spirituality. Dear friends, what I am talking about is same thing which your country already know about it, but just in the today's main language I am converting it for you. I am converting the old spiritual principle for your own benefit in today's world. I am nothing telling something new. And finally I can say old is gold. And whether old is gold or not, you have to check the power of the STEM energy, the power of the spirituality, the power of the spiritual science by these episodes, whether we are able to heal you or not. Dear friends, we can say by hook or by crook, we have to have become healthy. As human body is very precious in the human journey towards infinity. I will cover this thing in the concept series of this episode, of this channel. But I can say human body is very precious. Human journey is to be done by this human body. So dear friends, that's why we have to keep ourselves very healthy, so that we can do our human journey in very fast manner. Hence, by using best of each proven medical science like acupressure, acupuncture, reiki, etc., we have to have cure ourselves. We have to have cure our body. Dear friends, and we can say proof of the holistic healing technique will be generated if the people like you, me, my all the friends who are seeing it do some work on the concept which we have already discussed with you, which we will discuss with you in our future episodes, and get the results and prove the correctness of the spiritual science. So dear friends, you are the brand ambassador. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. Do not leave healthiness of your body with others. Why doctor should heal you? You are paying the money to him. But it is your own duty to help yourself so that you can heal yourself, so that you can cure yourself. Dear friends, that's why we can say kindly help yourself, kindly help yourself, kindly heal yourself with the help of the STEM energy. Now another question comes with us. Is there any kind of the side effect of the holistic healing techniques? Any kind of the side effect we have to discuss in the preliminary episodes only. Otherwise you will blame me that I have provided you something with the side effect. Dear friends, I can assure you, I can guarantee you, I can assure you that it do not have any kind of the side effect at all. It has the side effect less than the allopathy, the today's medical science. Dear friends, it is completely natural, it is completely universal, it is completely cosmic. It was available, it is available, and the energy will available after thousands of the years also. That's why it is very natural, very cosmic, very universal. That's why we can say there is no side effect at all of this healing methods. But one thing I can say, minor side effect is there. And what is that side effect? Dear friends, I have clearly told you about the energy generation methods, that how to generate the STEM energy. Also I have told that this energy can be utilized in the many of the actions of you. That's why I can say what is the side effect. More will be the energy, more possibility or the probability of doing wrong also. If you have the something ill mentality, if you have something black energy level, if you have the black aura, if you have the satanic orientation, if you are not a good person, if you are a bad person by the nature, you will generate the energy and you will use the energy in the evil items. This is the only threat which I can say. But dear friends, the energy which can provide you the power to harm, the same energy can provide you to get rid of that blackishness or the badness also. Finally, I can say law of action and reaction is inevitable and will perfectly work in your life also. If you will do good with the energy, you will get the good compulsorily. But if you will use energy in the bad works, certainly you will get bad compulsorily. Nobody in this world, even the Almighty God, can get rid of your reaction of your karmas, reaction of your actions. So dear friends, This is the only side effect which has with the STEM energy. But I am sure that you will help yourself by this STEM energy and will do good works with these energies. Another question come, another situation come. What will happen if doctor do not take the medical treatment during the sickness? Doctor do not take pills, doctor do not take injection, doctor do not take the drips, etc. What will happen? The sick doctor will remain sick. It will not get rid from the disease at all. And I believe that you will also with me. Second one, similar type of the question, similar type of the situation. What will happen if no one of the holistic healing techniques do not use the techniques for cure himself or herself? This means person is knowing the concept, person is knowing how to generate the energy, how to clean himself, how to balance the energy, but doing nothing. What will happen? He will or she will also compulsorily sick. 101% I am sure. Because both the situation, doctor do not take the medicine or the knower of the spiritual concept do not do work on it. Both are very similar, very equal. Mere knowing, mere logical thinking will lead to nowhere. You have to do the work on these energy principles. You have to have work on these energy generation methods. Then only these things will be work on you. Hence, kindly give the equal chance, equal opportunity, equal ground to holistic healing techniques. It will earn its own respect automatically. Dear friends, you do not have to provide something special with it. No special treatment at all to this particular science, this particular spiritual science. You have to just give some of the time, you have to give some of the efforts to these healing techniques, and it will earn its respect automatically. Guarantee, sure, 100%. Dear friends, but if you are the worshipper of the allopathy, that's why you should not hate these spiritual sciences, because these have the equal potential to heal the mankind. And as you know, Hippocrates oath you have taken, I think so. If you are my medical field friends, you have taken the Hippocrates oath. Your ultimate aim is to heal the body, to heal the patient by hook or by crook. And the same thing I am also discussing about. I am not rigid to any particular methodologies like allopathy, acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, etc. I want to give an optimum path to the mankind so that our body can be healed in the very fast manner, whether it is using the allopathy or whether it is using the Reiki or whether it is using the acupressure, because our ultimate purpose is to heal the body in the fastest manner, in the optimum manner. And finally I can say, truth alone triumphs. If it is truth, then certainly it will earn its own respect. And you can see absolutely injustice if this is the case of the equality. We require the equity for our spiritual science technologies, techniques also. Dear friends, now another question comes, whether doctor also becomes sick. How ridiculous I am talking about, isn't it? Whether doctor also becomes sick. Doctor is also necessarily equal to, doctor is not necessarily equal to healthy person. If someone is doctor, that is not equal to he is a healthy person. He may be a fatty person, he may be facing many kind of the disease like the blood pressure, diabetes, etc., etc. Dear friends, the doctor, being a doctor is a profession, it's a profession, and being healthy, it is a lifestyle, and job is not equal to the lifestyle. Doctor can be unhealthy person also. And in nutshell, what we want to say you, every human who has the human body, who has the body, there is a possibility of being sick. I may be sick, no problem at all. You may be sick, no problem at all. But how to cure ourselves in the fastest manner, this is the need of the hour which I am talking about. Dear friends, we humans have the body till our death. That's why we are prone to disease, we are prone to become sick. That's why we have to help ourselves. And we can say old age is the biggest disease ever for all the humans, for all the creatures. In natural low energy state, our old age is natural low energy states. Almost all the persons faces the old age energy crisis. When you have the old age, you forget, your body becomes weak, it has natural low energy states, that's why it is prone to disease. Dear friends, although you can help yourself at that particular time also, but that required very high quantum of the stem energy. Now another questions come with us, and it is really very logical. If energies are so much powerful, why the spiritual leaders, religious leaders become the sick? If energies are so much powerful, why the spiritual leaders, religious leaders become sick? If they have the high energy level, then what is the reason they should become the sick? Because as per my methodologies, if someone have the high quantum of the energy, if someone have the cleaner energy, if someone has the balanced energy, then certainly he will be disease free person. He will be a healthy person. Then what is the reason that the spiritual leaders or the religious leaders become sick? Very big question. And dear friends, it's a very controversial topic at this spiritual level humans. Because whatever I will tell to you, you may understand or you may not understand. But to make the fluency, I have to have touched this point. Because it may be possible that after some years you can again refer these episodes, you can again revise these episodes, then you may understand this concept. That's why we cannot lower our standard. Dear friends, first thing, a spiritual leader is not always equal to religious leader. Repeating, there are many kind of the religions in this world. Hindu, Muslim, Christianity, Sikh, Jainism, Jewish, Buddhism, Christianity, atheism, and the science is also a one kind of the new religion. Dear friends, that's why we can say there are the many religions in this world. Some of them are pagan also. Some are believing the nature as the God also. So dear friends, religions may be many, but spirituality is strictly one. All the ancient civilization, all the religions are saying same truth, and we will prove in our channel Zero to Infinity. As we will find the time, we will just elaborate our concept in the eyes of the Christianity, in the eyes of the Bible, we will prove that all the religions are saying same thing. That's why we can say spirituality is one, religions may be many. Now, a spiritual leader is not always equal to religious leader. Who is the spiritual leader in our eyes? Who have high quantum of the pure energy. The level of the quantity, level of the quality, both should be very high in a spiritual person. He will get universal level prestige. Although it is, I think it will be not fully understood by you at this level. A spiritual leader have the high quantum of the pure energy. Okay? Religion may be of many, no problem at all. Religious leader. Who is religious leader? A person who have good command of the religious thoughts. He has the good command on religious thoughts, not on the religious, spiritual energy. That religious leader may have of the low energy also. That religious leader may have low purity of the energy also. He may be the religious leader by birth also. Although in the world there are the persons like His Holiness Dalai Lama, he is a spiritual person as well as he is a religious leader. But not all the religions have this kind of the liberty. As it is a controversial topic, that's why we will not elaborate many things at this level of our episodes. But one thing we can say, a spiritual leader is not always equal to religious leader. The spiritual leader will have very high quantum and the quality of the energy. That's why he will be more healthy than a religious leader. Because religious leader have only the thoughts and thoughts. That's it. He do not have the energy at all. Now, what is the probable cause of this phenomenon? We have discussed that if the energies are very powerful, then what is the reason that the spiritual leaders or the religious leaders become sick? There are the several reasons. 6 or 7 reasons we will discuss. I feel that you will be bored, but to make the flow, we have to use it. We have to discuss it. First, all the human bodies gets death. All the prophets, all the saints, all the lords who acquire the human body, all the religious leader, teachers, etc. This means in one line we can say all the human bodies gets death. That's it. If all the persons have to get the death, then we need certainly we need some reasons for the death also. Otherwise, how the death will occur? Second, account of the action and their reaction is to be completed. That's why the religious people, that's why the spiritual persons are getting sick, are getting disease. Because the account of the action and their reaction is to be complete. Because we as a spirituality believe in the reincarnation. That's why whatever you have done in this particular life, whatever you have done in your past lives, you have to pay for it. Whether it is good, you have to bear with it. Whether it is a bad karmas, bad actions of the previous, certainly you have to face the negative consequences in this life. That's why, dear friends, law of action and the reaction is inevitable. No one in the world, no one in the universe, no one in the cosmos can be escaped from it. Even the Lord, saints, or the prophets, or the spiritual leaders. That's why to settle the account of the action and their reactions, they have to take the body, they have to face the sickness, they have to face the death. Third, death is inevitable. It needs some region to decay the body. Otherwise, how the death will occur? Whether Lord Buddha from the Buddhism, Lord Krishna from the Hinduism, Jesus Christ from the Christianity, Prophet Muhammad from the Islam, Moses from the Jewish world, Jewish religion, all the persons, all the saint, all the deity, all the God, all the godly person, all the spiritual leaders, all the persons who have the body, they will face the death. They will face the death, guaranteed, sure shot, 100%. Dear friends, death is inevitable, and that's why it needs some of the region to decay the body. That's why these high level, high spirituality person also become sick, also become some kind of the disease. Fourth, if a spiritual leader or if a high level person, prophet, saint, lord, etc., if the output energy is greater than the input energy, output energy is greater than the input energy, certainly they will become the sick, they will feel the disease. Because if you are earning $100 and if your expenditure is $150, then you will be certainly in the debt all the times. And debt means low energy, means sickness, disease. Dear friends, there are some of the spiritual leaders who are consuming more energy in the good works, more energy in motivating the persons, more energy for the doing good works in the world, but their input level is something exhausted or saturated. They are doing more good work than their own capacity. That's why some of the spiritual leaders, some of the big spiritual figures dies in just the age of 30 or 40 years only, and that too is a natural death. The Adi Shankaracharya, you can see the pointer, Adi Shankaracharya died in just the age of 35 years, but he has given great principles to the India, great principle to the Hindu religion. The Swami Vivekananda died in the less than 40-year age. He also has visited the Europe and the USA to spread the spiritual knowledge. His output energy was greater than the input energy. That's why he also has faced some kind of the disease in the body. So dear friends, you may be confused at this spiritual level, but whatever are the fact, we have to have deal with it. Fifth number, it is just like the similar than the concept, fourth region, input and output of the energy. Some of the spiritual leaders are who have overutilized their human body. Human body has some kind of the capacity. It do not have the infinity power at all. Dear friends, there are some kind of the spiritual leaders. You can see in the cursor, you can see in the slide. They have overutilized their human body, like P.D. Ouspensky, Gurdjieff, Osho, Swami Vivekananda, Swami Paramahansa, etc. And there are many of the persons, many of the spiritual leaders at this level who have overutilized of his own body. They have consciously and deliberately break the rhythm and the harmony of the body. Dear friends, in our human body there is a harmony, a balance, a rhythm. In our inner energy level, we have some kind of the harmony, some kind of the rhythm. But if a spiritual person is there, he may have deliberately and consciously broken the rhythm and the harmony of the body as well as of the energy circuit. That's why they may have attracted the disease. They may have sick due to that deliberated efforts of overutilization of the human body. Dear friends, that's why in some of the religious sects, they have built their human body very powerful, very robust, so that they can use this human body in the long lasting manner, in the better manner. Yes, there are the principles by which you can make your human body very robust. Sixth religion. I know it is a controversial topic, but we have to deal with it. You can also skip, no problem at all. Dear friends, sixth of the religion, why the spiritual leaders or the religious leaders become sick? Higher layers of the human existence. What are the higher layer of the human existence? Thought layer or the mind have the higher layer than the human body. Emotional layer or the heart has greater importance than the brain also. That's why kindly refer in the concept series for the world of this channel. You will clearly understand what are the different layers of our human existence. Although it is a healing series, that's why we will not cover so much of that thing. In a nutshell, we can say higher layers of the human existence are far more important than the human body. Hence, strengthening the higher layers at the cost of relatively lower layer. Dear friends, it may be possible that that spiritual person want to increase his mind beyond the IQ level 160. Body, no problem at all. I do not have any kind of the attraction with the body. I will just enrich myself with the great thoughts, great mind power. It may be his life aim. Another spiritual person, he may want, I want to pure my heart. I want to uplift my heart level. I want to uplift my purity level of my emotional layer. It hardly matters what the hell my body is doing. My aim is only to clean my energy, absolutely clearing my emotional layer. I will not think about the human body at all, whether it is go or it become the sick or etc. etc. I do not bother about it. There may be the spiritual personalities like this also. That's why in nutshell we can say there are some kind of the persons, some kind of the spiritual leaders who want to strengthen the higher layers of the human existence at the cost of human body. Kindly refer in the concept series, then only you will understand in the more deep manner. But for your easy reference, I can say soul quotient or the SQ is greater than the emotional quotient or the EQ, is of greater importance than the intelligent quotient or the IQ, is greater than important than the body quotient or the BQ, and it is greater importance than the mental quotient or the MQ. In nutshell, you can see the arrow. Kindly see the pointer. This is the direction of the arrow. Your body should be healthy, whether you have to spend all your money, all your gold, all your materialistic things, but your body should be healthy. Certainly. Body have some kind of the level 80 to 100 year old it will be remain, but mind power can be used even after the birth also. That's why thought layer or the IQ level increase is more important than the bodybuilding. Emotional layer strengthening is of greater importance than making or creating the higher IQ level. That's why, dear friends, kindly follow the path of the arrow, and at this moment we are just discussing about how to become healthy. That's it. Dear friends, the seventh reason is activation of the higher dimension above the earth. Once again I am saying, I am touching very controversial things, but to make the continuity, to remain continuous, I have to touch these concepts. Otherwise you will say, you will ask these questions only. What is the reason that your spiritual leaders are becoming unhealthy? What is the reason that you are getting healthy, you are getting sick, etc, etc. Many of the questions will occur in your mind. That's why it is my prime duty to address all the things in the initial level itself. Dear friends, if some of the persons who want to activate the higher dimension above the earth, like the heaven, like the other planets, sorry, it is a controversial topic. We believe in the heaven and hell also. That's why we will just touch and go ahead. It will be more better. Otherwise, we will consume our time also, and it will be controversial. That's why. So, dear friends, activation of the higher dimension above the earth. Hence, want to leave the body as soon as possible. It is very tough to understand by only science lovers. If you are a science lover, it is very hard to digest this concept. But I am very much sure that if you are a religious person, then certainly you will be very easily understood this particular concept. If you want to reserve yourself in the Jannat, in the heaven, in the Swarg of the Hinduism, in the utopia of the atheist, in the upper Jerusalem, in the golden city of the Jewish, in the Jehovah's kingdom, in the term of the Jewish religion, then certainly we have to do the work on ourselves for the quantum of the energy as well as for the quality of the energy. So dear friends, in nutshell we can say there are many of the places above our earth that are called as heaven. There are many of the places beyond our earth that are called as a hell. The white energy persons go in the above world, the black energy persons go in the lower dimensions. Dear friends, that's why we will leave this particular concept here itself. Otherwise more controversies will be there, but I am very sure that religious person will love this concept, but the scientist person will not believe in this thing. But I can very much say that there are stars beyond our sun also. Our science is just 200 or 300 years old also. But the humanity, but the earth was available since lakhs or the crores or the millions and billions year old. Dear friends, that's why we will say the future level of the science will discover these spiritual science concepts. And in nutshell, dear friends, I can say whatever is the region which we have already discussed in the last 6 or 7 slides, whatever is the region the spiritual leader or the decision maker to get sickness. They are not getting governed by the disease. And in nutshell, we can say the spiritual leaders are sickness by choice. Yes, I am very much sure about my words. They are not from the air. These are very well logical. The true spiritual leader, a true spiritual person, a person who have the high stem energy, if the person is still sick, this means that is a deliberate effort by that spiritual person to become sick due to some particular reasons. Dear friends, the spirituality is very high level of the science, and our science is yet to touch it, and we will prove it in our coming episodes. Dear friends, at last we can say about the holistic healing techniques. Some of the people will talk anything because it is their own choice, but we have to do our the best to become healthy, as human life is very precious and time is passing very fast. Life is very short. This is the opportunity given by the Almighty God. Use it or not use it or misuse it, it is completely of your own choice. Dear friends, some of the persons will be there who know everything, anything already. They do not require this episodes at all. They know already anything. Whatever I am talking about, they know it. Salute to you, dear friends. Second, some of the person will just laugh. What the hell, what the rubbish he is talking about. We are the scientists and we just love the science and what he is telling about. They will just laugh, but no problem. Even when the Wright brothers have invented the plane, at that particular time no one even thought that a plane can be made. But still aeroplane is the truth of the today's world. Similarly, I can say the future science will able to discover the spirituality. Today's science do not have the power to grasp, to understand the spirituality. It has miles to go. Short 100% guarantee from the spiritual world, from the ancient civilizations. So that's the dear friends. Some of the person will laugh, some of the person will astonize, and some of the people will oppose for the sake of oppose only. That are the person who will not deeply understand these concepts. They will do not do any kind of the work on these concepts, but for the sake of oppose, they will oppose. And we are very ready for that persons also. Dear friends, some of the persons who are illiterate or who are the some comparatively lesser education level, comparatively lower understanding level, it may be possible that the knowledge and the techniques may have go above their heads. Some of the person will be there who will do very less and the light efforts. They will do, but they will do less effort, light effort in their own comfort zone only. And then they will complain that the holistic healing techniques are not working on them. We have to deal with that person also. But I can guarantee that two persons will feel the energy burst by their own honest efforts and will focus complete energy on the one disease at a time and heal himself from that particular disease, and hence will become the healthy by removing all the disease one by one. The true persons will get the energy burst, focus it, direct it towards their unhealthy organ, heal it and heal their complete body one by one. Dear friends, and the next level persons, the person who is a true person and a very good person, a true spiritual person, will heal himself from all the disease. He will get the confidence in himself. Then they will try to prove it scientifically so that the other people, other humans can get benefited by the holistic healing methods. And you are in which category? Choice is completely of yours. Whether you want to laugh, patronize, you are not getting understand, you are a true person, you are a true and good person, you are a true spiritual person. Whatever is your category, this is completely of your own choice. And in nutshell, I have already told, your life, your energy, your time, your energy, your problems, your disease, your own healing, your own ultimate journey of the humanity. Dear friends, power or energy, body electricity or the chi energy or the flame energy was available, is available to all the humans and will remain available till the existence of the human. If Praful Davi will die, no problem at all, it hardly matters. But until and unless a human body remains on this earth, these techniques, these energies will work on them, because energy is always available and it works on all the human bodies of the past, future and the present. Dear friends, now one question again comes, if the spirituality is eternal, past, present and future, then why it is becoming popular nowadays? What is the reason that spirituality is gaining its momentum nowadays? What is the reason that it is getting acceleration? Many of the persons are believing in the second coming of the Christ. Many of the nations believe that their Messiah will come. Even they have made the ministry for them, like the Israel has made the ministry, one for Israel. They have the firm belief in the Messiah. That's why they are eagerly waiting of their Messiah. So dear friend, now this is the correct time in which the spirituality is getting its momentum, because something very big is going to occur. I cannot disclose at this thing, but everything is already written. You may have belief if you are religious. Dear friends, now we will give the answer of this question. If spirituality is eternal, then why it is becoming popular nowadays? Earlier, what was the approach? In the last 100 year, 200 year, in the dark age of the humanity, earlier the people were saying, do the mantra chanting, read the holy words, pray to the God, do the yoga, do the exercise, do the meditation, etc., etc. And all the people were saying, why and why. Why I should chant holy chants, why I should meditate, why I should pray to the God, why I should do the yogic exercise, because that was the earlier approach. Now, what is the today's approach of our channel? What is the today's approach of our channel Zero to Infinity? Let us see it. The today's approach is, if you want energy, body electricity, chi energy, then kindly do the mantra chanting, kindly do the holy word chanting, kindly do the yoga, kindly do the meditation. That's it. If you want complete healing, just like we are discussing in this channel, in this particular healing episodes, If you want complete healing, do the mantra chanting, do the yoga, do the meditation. If you want complete brain capacities, high IQ person, the person like the Lucy film you have seen maybe. If you want the high IQ, if you want the high brain capacities, then you have to do the mantra chanting, holy word chanting, do the yoga, do the meditation. If you want to look beautiful, if you want to improve your sports capabilities, if you want to get peace, if you want to get bliss, if you want to harness the highest possibility of the human existence, then do it. Then do the meditation, then do the yoga, then do the holy word chanting. The approach is totally different, totally reverse than each other. Earlier, do the chanting. Why? Now we are saying object oriented programming. We are showing the results first, we are showing the application first, then saying if you want these good results, if you want these good fruits of the spirituality, then kindly do the meditation, then kindly do the holy word chanting. The reverse is very different and very opposite. Because yes, we can say today's most of the humans are very selfish, very self-centered. If he or she gets some kind of the benefits, then only he or she will take the action. Earlier, the object-oriented programming was governing the computers only, governing the machines only. But nowadays, it is applicable for the selfish human also, self-centered human also. That's why we have to show the result first, showing the glimpse, showing the glory of the spirituality first. Then only I am saying, if you want this glory, if you want this ripened fruit, if you want the high IQ, if you want the beauty, if you want the healing yourself, then kindly do the spirituality. And this is our foundation of our today's spirituality. Dear friends, at last, in the words of the Lord Buddha, kindly be the source of the light by yourself. Kindly help your body to become healthy yourself. Humans come and go, but the spirituality is eternal. It was available, it is available to all the persons, and it will available. And Lord Buddha has clearly said one thing: I am a path giver, not the liberation giver. Repeating, I am a path giver, not a liberation giver. Similarly, our channel 0 to Infinity, at this particular moment, we are saying, we are showing you the path, how to become healed, how to get rid of the sickness, how to become healthy person. But we are very sure you have to have help yourself. You have to have generate the energy. You have to have pure yourself. You have to have balance your energy. You have to have direct your energy to the unhealthy limb. Then only you will heal yourself. Then only you will make this body very healthy. Dear friends, let's go together in this path, in this journey of the healthiness. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiment of the truth in his or her own life, not in the other's life, in his or her own life. If he or she gets benefit from these spiritual science concepts, then only he or she should spread these experiment of the truth to all the humans, so that a healthy human society, a healthy planet can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the result of the healthiness techniques described in the channel 0 to Infinity. Result checking after doing the experiment of truth. No endless discussion without self-doing at all. Your time is very precious, my time is very precious. We cannot do the endless discussion without doing, without experiencing. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concept to make the Eden garden. These are the spiritual science concept to bring the Eden garden to this earth, to make this earth a utopian one, to make this earth a better living place. And dear friends, I want to make this earth a very beautiful, worth living place. And I know that you will help me in this noble aim, which is very good for the mankind also. Otherwise, our future generation has to pay the price of it. So dear friends, this belief that we can bring the Eden garden to our earth, we can make this earth just like equivalent to the Eden garden, I am making this concept so that I and you, together we can make this earth more worthy, more worth living. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. You may see lakhs, millions or billions of the YouTube videos, the Netflix or the Prime videos, but if you are not acting on the techniques, not acting on the knowledge which you have acquired, it is of no use at all. Guarantee, short 100%. That's why kindly know, kindly understand, but do ultimately. Then only the results will come. The holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden garden of the people, by the people and for the people. Let's go together. Dear friends, one very special thing is there. Armageddon is not in between the nations. Armageddon will not be in the religions. That is the false Armageddon, 101% surety from spiritual science, from the ancient civilizations. That is a satanic plan to make the war in between the Iran and Israel, Muslim world and the Jewish world, atheist and the religious countries. The war in between the Muslims and the Christianity, Muslims and the Jewish. This is the negative person's plan, satanic plan, demonic plans. The true Armageddon will be there in between the positive and negative powers. The person who are good and the person who are bad. The persons who want to utopia in the world and the persons who want to finish the earth. The Armageddon will be in between these two type of the persons, good person and the bad persons. And dear friends, it is the completely individual choice whether you want to follow the deity, positive, white, godly powers, godly energy, or the demonic, satanic, negative, black energies. Whether you are with the Al-Mahdi, Lord Kalki, Messiah, Jewish Messiah, or the second coming of the Jesus Christ, or whether you are with Kali demon, Antichrist, false Messiah, or the Al-Dajjal, whether you are with the positive powers or with the negative powers, whether you are with the white powers or you are with the black powers, whether you are towards the heaven powers or whether you are towards the hell powers, choice is completely of yours, very individual. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the david.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may have any kind of the questions under this sky. You are very free to contact me. You are very free to contact me in the channel 0 to infinity or this email. Dear friends, at last, thank you very much for the watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I Prafuldabi bow to you. I Prafuldabi bow to the God hidden in all of you.